Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to highlight and annotate PDF files for free in 2026. So if you want to mark important text, add notes, or review documents digitally, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your PDF using Microsoft Edge or another free PDF reader. Microsoft Edge already includes built-in annotation tools. Next, select the highlight tool and mark important text. So this helps you quickly focus on key information later. Now use note or comment tools to add explanations or reminders. Annotations make PDFs easier to study or review. So you can also draw, underline, or circle important parts using the pen tool. This works great for reviews and corrections. Next, save the PDF after adding highlights and notes. Make sure you save a separate copy if you want to keep the original clean. Finally, reopen the PDF to check your annotations before sharing it. So this ensures all highlights and comments appear correctly, and that's how to highlight and annotate PDF files for free in 2026. Once you use built-in PDF tools, reviewing and organizing documents becomes much easier. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF and productivity tutorials. Hey everyone, in this